In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Miro Publish website. Start by opening Miro and going to your new board. You can do this from your dashboard or by opening the board link if you already have one. Once the board loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the right place and that the content you want to share or publish is visible on the canvas. It also helps to quickly tidy up your layout because what you publish should look clear and intentional. Next, look for the Publish option inside the board interface and click it. This is where Miro gives you different ways to share your work publicly. Publishing is useful when you want other people to view your content without needing to edit the board, or when you are preparing something for a wider audience. After you click Publish, choose Publish Template. This moves you into the template publishing flow, which is designed to prepare your board to be presented as a reusable template. At this point, you will be taken to a submission style page where you will fill out the required details. From here, you will click on the highlighted fields on the page. Each highlighted section is an input you need to review and complete. Work through them in order, selecting each highlighted area and entering the requested information. Go slowly and make sure what you enter is accurate and easy to understand, since these details help people discover and use your template. As you continue, keep clicking each highlighted field one by one. These highlights guide you through the form so you do not miss anything important. Use clear titles and descriptions, and make sure your selections match what your board is meant for. A helpful tip is to keep your wording simple and focused, so someone seeing your template for the first time immediately understands its purpose. Once you've completed all of the highlighted sections, finish by clicking Save and Continue. This saves your progress and moves you forward in the publishing process. If anything was missed, you may be prompted to go back, so take a quick final glance before moving on. That covers everything you need to know.